If you have a job but you are not getting paid enough amount of money that can sustain you, then watch this video till the end. I'll share with you a side hustle that you can get started and spend just 1 hour each day after work to make extra income. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. There are many ways you can make money online. Unfortunately, some ways to make money online require a lot of capital, but what I'm going to share with you require just you to invest a little amount, less than $20, less than $15 to get started and learn all the skills. I only need 10 people who are serious and want to make money online through digital marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way where you sell other people's products, but digital marketing is where you sell digital products online, so you don't need to deal with issues like transport or shipping of products. And you can easily scale your business. All you need to do is reach out to me, DM me, comment interested, and what I require from you is having a right mindset, because for you to make money online, you cannot come with the job mentality mindset where someone has to push you in order to do something. You must have some self-discipline and understand the psychology of money. In the online space, if you don't understand how money is made, then you will not make money. Money is something you attract by providing value. People have to see value in you in order to invest in you. So, same case to making money online. You have to provide value, and in exchange of value, you make money. Your level of income will never surpass your level of personal development, the value you provide to the marketplace. The marketplace is driven by value, and value in exchange of money. And I'm here to guide you through all the process. Whether you are in Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Nigeria, Australia, USA, or UK, this business model is for you. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. So comment interested, follow, and share this video in case you want to help someone else make money online.